Today is a story about how I met a wild boar. I was walking through the forest calmly, picking mushrooms. I hear some rustling about 8 meters away from me, then a grunt and a roar. Turning around, wild boar stands. Huge beast, eyes popped out like this. Steam is pouring out of its mouth. And this beast starts to approach me. I abruptly throw off my backpack. And I take out a can of air freshener. Anti-tobacco was also, and I start spraying in the face of this wild boar. The wild boar begins to whine and retreats, then turns around and runs away. What's the secret? Wild boars really do not like pungent odors, especially when they get into the eyes, into the face. Animals in general, they are very afraid of this very sound of spraying, but with just one sound, of course. You won't scare anyone, at most some kind of fox,